Hey guys, I'm Master Cool. Today, I'm going to be showing you what I'm 3D printing now. Alright, I'm printing a katana right now. It's 28% done. This is it so far. Look at it. I think it'll probably get done overnight. I'm sure it'll turn out good. It's likely. Anyways, I'm thinking of a video idea for my Minecraft video. I'm thinking on what it should be. So, I'll keep thinking, and it's been a while since I've uploaded. I think the last time I uploaded was last year. So anyways, hello guys, I'm back. It's been a while. I'm making a print, and I'm thinking of a video idea. And that's been going on since last year. And it's nice to be back. Bye.